Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. We're going to start up our Olds 88. When it was cold earlier, when I was driving, the cold light did work. Radio turns on, just some staticky stuff there. Fan, trying to get the fan to work. Fan is not working, so we'll have to take a look at that. Blinker to the left, blinker to the right, horn works, wipers work. Of course, that's about what the dome light on this side lights up. On the other side it doesn't, so probably bulb burn out there. We'll show you the rest of the lights. Runs really good. Power steering, power drum brakes. There's your headlights. So, pretty cool cruiser. This is one that you can definitely get a lot of comments on because nobody sees it. Olds 88. Here's the old sticker back in '68. They must, that's an oil change sticker, and I believe May of '91, Skelly number 137. Well, that's ripped off, so that'd be the one before. But that's pretty cool back when they used them. 605-695-7391.